Hi there. In this demo, we will walk you through how to add a new company in Qtac. To begin, click Add New Company. Enter your company name and company address. At least 2 lines must be completed in order to save. Here you can also add your company logo so that it appears on payslips and reports. You may also assign the company to a section or bureau if required. Once you have entered the necessary details and checked them for accuracy, move on to the Tax and NI tab. In this section, fill in your tax district, reference, and accounts office reference. Next, select your scheme type and specify how often you pay HMRC. You can add your BACS details and tick the box Use for HMRC repayments. Click the box to claim employment allowance. After saving, you'll see EA Claim Not Submitted displayed. You will be able to submit this at the end. Now, move to the Pension tab. Here, enter the duty start date. You can then assign a default AE scheme and click Allow Qtac to assess workers. The software will then automatically assess employees' eligibility each pay period. Once that is complete, go to the Calendar tab. Set the payslip date, the pay period end date, and the processing date. These calendar dates must be confirmed before you can process payrolls. In the AE Postponement tab, you can enable or disable postponement for employees and set the postponement period. In the EJ Postponement tab, you can also enable or disable postponement and define how long employees should be postponed. Next, in the Payments tab, you can enter the company's BACS details. The Reports tab allows you to email payslips directly to employees through the software. If you use Outlook, set the distribution method to Outlook, and Qtac will automatically connect to the Outlook installed on your device. In the Payslips tab, choose the information you would like to display on employees' payslips. The FBI tab is where you enter your Government Gateway username and password, which is used to submit directly to HMRC. Once all tabs are completed, save and close the company maintenance window. At this point, you will be prompted to submit an EPS for EA claim. And that is how you set up a company in Qtac.